Okay, in this example, it says a 1000 megawatt laser is produced by a 100 milliamp current. What is the voltage responsible for producing the current? So we're going to picture it. So what we do is we say, okay, we have a voltage source. And we're going to have some sort of resistor. And we want to know what the value of this voltage source is. So we want to know what that voltage is. We do know that a current is produced of 180 milliamps, and we also know as well that it is a 1000 megawatt laser that's being used by this resistor. So we look at our given information. We were given power as 1000 megawatts. You should put a little asterisk there saying, hey, megawatts is something I'm going to have to deal with. And you also have a current of 180 milliamps. You're also going to have to convert that. So now what we were trying to find, we were trying to figure out what the voltage or the electric potential was. The principle that's involved here is electric power. So we look at our formula. Our formula is P equals IV. We look at our information. We say I'm trying to solve for V. I have I and I have P. Both of those are in the equation. I'm not given anything else, so there is no relevant information. Now we can go ahead and convert our values. We can say 180 milliamps. Okay, remember, there are 1000 milliamps in 1 amp. And for megawatts, in 1 megawatt, that is a million, or 1 times 10 to the 6th watts. So our power ends up being 1 times 10 to the 9th watts, and our current ends up being 0.18 amps. We can now use the formula P equals IV, or P equals IV, where P is 1 times 10 to the 9th, or 1 billion watts, and our current is 0.18 amps times our voltage. Divide both sides by 0.18, and we get 5.56 times 10 to the 9th volts. Okay, we get volts, which is V, which is what we were trying to find. So we can say that our answer does match what we were trying to find.